In this video, I'm going to show you how to group rows in Smartsheet step by step. Grouping rows is a simple but powerful feature that helps you organize your sheet, create clear hierarchies, and make large projects much easier to manage. Whether you're working on task lists, project plans, or structured data, grouping rows can save you a lot of time and keep everything visually clean. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet tips and easy software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Smartsheet. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're logged in, navigate to the sheet where you want to group rows. This needs to be a sheet you have editing access to, because grouping rows requires permission to modify the structure of the sheet. When the sheet opens, make sure you're in Grid View, since row grouping works best and is most commonly used there. Now, look at the rows you want to group together. Grouping in Smartsheet works by creating a parent row and child rows underneath it. To start, click on the row numbers on the left-hand side to select the rows you want to group. You can click and drag to select multiple rows, or hold down Shift to select a range. Make sure the rows you select are the ones you want to become child rows under a main parent row. Once your rows are selected, move your cursor to the top toolbar. Here, you'll see the Indent and Outdent buttons. To group the selected rows, click the Indent button. As soon as you do this, you'll notice the selected rows shift slightly to the right. This means they are now grouped under the row directly above them, which becomes the parent row. You'll also see a small Expand and Collapse icon appear next to the parent row. This icon lets you hide or show the grouped rows with a single click, making your sheet much easier to scan and manage. If you want to create multiple levels of grouping, you can indent rows again to create subgroups. Just keep in mind that each indent level represents a deeper hierarchy. If you ever make a mistake or want to remove a row from a group, simply select the row and click the Outdent button in the toolbar. This will move the row back to its original level and remove it from the group. Grouping rows is especially useful for organizing phases of a project, breaking down tasks under a main category, or summarizing information at a high level while keeping details hidden until you need them. You can also apply formulas, formatting, or conditional rules to parent rows to make your data even more powerful. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully grouped rows in Smartsheet and learned how to manage them using indent and outdent. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.